No juggling tutorial would be complete if we didn't talk about 4-ball juggling. When you're going to learn 4-ball juggling, the first thing you need to learn is your fundamentals of 2 in 1 hand. This is the rolling out. I'm throwing from the inside to the outside. Throw on the inside, catch on the outside. Throw on the inside, catch on the outside. Like throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch. You want to be able to do rolling out for 100 catches in both hands. Learn to do the rolling out pattern in both hands. If you want to mix it up a little bit, you can work on the column pattern. The column pattern is where your hand darts back and forth between the 2 places it needs to be and just throws them straight up. So they're no longer going around like this, they're just going up and down side by side. And of course, you want to learn that on both sides as well. So rolling out and column, both hands, 100 catches, all 4 patterns. For extra credit, you can also work on rolling in. Instead of throwing from the inside to the outside, you throw from the outside to the inside. Here's the rolling in pattern. Other side, throwing from the outside to the inside. It's like a reverse cascade. If you can do all 3 of those for 100 catches in both hands, you'll be able to just pick up 4 and do it. It'll look like this. So right now I'm rolling out, and this is a synchronous pattern. I'm throwing at the same time. Ba, 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 ba. It's really valuable in the very beginning of learning 4 balls, I think, to throw synchronous, because if one hand is throwing higher than the other, you can identify that and start to correct it. So in that case, my right hand was throwing too high. I can go, oh, let me correct that. Bring it down to where they're essentially the same height. You can also do it async. So instead of starting with both hands at the same time, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice I'm rolling out here at the same time. That's 4-ball juggling. You can switch between sync and async by throwing 1 higher. So if I'm in sync, and I throw 1 high, that switches my pattern to async. And if I'm in async, and I throw 1 high, it will return me to synchronous. One of the misnomers in the beginning of 4-ball juggling is thinking that they're crossing. Don't worry about that in the beginning. There are ways to cross 4 balls, but you want 2 in the right, 2 in the left at the same time. Work on your sync and your async. Those are your fundamentals for 4 balls.